You have tried every medicated cream, every lifestyle hack, and every diet tweak the internet swears by. But your psoriasis still flares up. What if I told you your shower is secretly aggravating your skin? Today, I'm walking you through the surprising ways your daily shower routine might actually be making your psoriasis worse. And more importantly, how to fix it. Hi, I'm Kasturi, a sensitive skincare expert with over a decade of dedicated experience and co-founder of Oleum Cottage. My passion lies in harnessing the power of plant oils for their therapeutic use and in advanced cosmetic formulations to create skincare that truly works. I was recently chatting with a friend when I said I take 15 to 20 minutes for a bath, and she said she doesn't have that kind of time in her day. It struck me similar to how many of our customers tell us that they don't have time for a preventive routine but somehow manage to have ample time to visit doctors and even wait for their appointments once their skin shows signs of poor health. Point I'm making here is your shower routine is a part of your preventive skincare, and you can choose to either work with your skin or against it during and after your shower. I know the question that haunts most people with psoriasis is this going to stay with me forever? Well, the answer is not necessarily if you make changes in your daily habits patiently and consistently, starting with your shower. Mistake number one, scalding hot showers. I know. Nothing feels better than a long hot shower after a stressful day. But for psoriasis warriors, that heat is drying you out, stripping your natural barrier and kicking your inflammation into high gear. So switch to lukewarm water. Your skin doesn't need to be boiled clean. It just needs to feel safe. Mistake number two, harsh soaps and gels. Most commercial body washes are full of sulfates, alcohols, synthetic fragrances. These ingredients can trigger flare-ups, itchiness, and the dreaded post-shower tightness. What you need is something that nourishes, that does not strip. Oil-based cleansers with activated botanical oils and gentle surfactants. At Oleum Cottage, we call this skin protection. Mistake number three, waiting too long to moisturize. Here's a rule you must live by. If your moisturizer doesn't go on within 3 minutes of stepping out of the shower, your skin is already losing the hydration it just absorbed. The golden window post shower, slightly damp skin is when your oils or creams lock in moisture best. Seal it in, don't let it evaporate. So let's rebuild your shower routine, psoriasis friendly edition. Use lukewarm, not hot water, limit showers to 5 to 10 minutes, switch to oil based cleansers with no artificial fragrance. Gently pat, dry, do not rub. Within 3 minutes, apply a rich barrier restoring product. Look for activated oils that calm inflammation and deeply nourish. And if your scalp is affected, that's a whole other shower story, because scalp psoriasis is like the diva cousin of skin psoriasis. High maintenance, unpredictable, and impossible to ignore. Washing your hair becomes a mission. You're wondering, should I wash daily or weekly? Do I oil or not oil? What about those medicated shampoos? Here's the truth. Most commercial shampoos, even the so-called anti-dandruff ones, contain sulfates, silicones, or alcohols that can inflame your already sensitive scalp. And aggressive scrubbing, that's a fast track to bleeding, flaking, and more flare-ups. Your scalp needs a completely different approach, one that balances exfoliation and calms inflammation without sulfates and steroids. I'm now going to tell you about 3 powerful ancient bathing practices that were pure skin therapy before the word skincare even existed. And yes, many of them align beautifully with what works for psoriasis: calming inflammation, restoring the barrier, and reducing stress, which we know is a huge trigger. 1. Neem and turmeric baths from ancient India. Neem is known for its antifungal, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties. And turmeric calms inflamed skin, reduces flare intensity. Why it helps psoriasis? This duo not only improves skin resilience but also soothes the immune overreaction locally. Neem leaves were often steeped in bath water during skin outbreaks of any kind. The modern DIY take: infuse neem leaves in warm bath water, add a pinch of turmeric, raw or organic turmeric, and use a gentle cleanser to seal the benefits in. 2. Oil ablutions. Abhyanga plus Snana from Ayurveda consists of a daily warm oil massage, Abhyanga, followed by herbal bath. It strengthens skin barrier, improves lymphatic flow, reduces vata, dryness, and irritation. Why it helps psoriasis? Well, psoriasis thrives in dry, inflamed environments. This practice treats dryness at the root, improves circulation, and reduces stress, all of which are major psoriasis triggers. The modern take use pre-shower oiling with therapeutic oils like Oleum Cottage's rash and eczema oil blend, and follow with a short warm shower. This is practically built for you. Number 3, floral baths, ancient Rome and India. Petals of rose, chamomile, marigold, or lavender were steeped into bath water. This was used to relax, reduce inflammation, and soothe irritated skin. Why does it help psoriasis? Well, these botanicals reduce emotional stress and skin stress. The modern DIY take: use a cloth sachet of dried flowers steeped in your bath, or add floral hydrosols to your bath water. Here's something else you could try before your shower ritual. All ancient civilizations, from the Turkish hammam to Indian svedana to Roman thermae, nearly every ancient culture sweated first and bathed later. Sweating helps purge toxins, unclogs pores, and boosts circulation, which benefits psoriatic skin when done gently. What these ancient practices all had in common is no detergents or harsh surfactants, a deep respect for natural oils and herbs, a ritualistic mindset that reduced stress. Let's reframe the narrative. What you do every day, like your shower, is a powerful act of communication with your skin. You need a better relationship with your skin. And trust me, when your skin begins to feel heard, it starts to feel healed. At Oleum Cottage, we've seen remarkable changes when people shift from what fights psoriasis to what feeds skin health. Our therapeutic activated oil formulations are built to support just this. So if you're ready to rethink your shower and your skin, I'd love for you to explore our healing blends for psoriasis-prone skin. If this video helped you feel more informed, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such useful information and share it with someone who needs it. Have questions? Drop them in the comments. We would love to help you out. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.